بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أبناء وبنات الطلاب الأعزاء طلبة الصف الثاني الإعدادي لغات، ازيكم يا أبنائي؟ عاملين إيه؟ يا رب تكونوا بخير. إن شاء الله هنحل النهاردة من كتاب المعاصر exam number 7 second term. نشوف مع بعض. First question: If 3a equals 6b equal 8c, what is the value of a to b to c? You want to find the ratio between a, b, and c. First step, we can simplify it by divided by least multiplication between 3 and 6 and 8. 8 can be divided by 6. Can divided by 3. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 6 is 24. Then 24 is the least multiplication between three numbers. We will divide it by 24 three numbers. First by 24, and second also by 24, and third divided by 24. As in simplest, then we have a over 24 divided by 3 equal 8 equal 2. We have b over 24 divided by 6 equal 4, and c 24 divided by 8 equal 3. Then the ratio will be 8, 4, 3. 8 to 4 to 3. Choose letter C. Number 2. If the ratio between or Cartesian product between x and y equals set of 2 and 3, then x2 equal. Listen, x here will be the set of 2, the first projection. Then x2 will be Cartesian product 2 by itself. Then we have the order of 2 and 2. Choose letter C. Next question. The area of triangle OEP equal 24 square units in the slope of AB equal. Okay, he give me the area was 24. This side length was 6 units. I will put the length here equal x. This side length equal x. We know area equal half times the base times corresponding height. This is the area of triangle, half times the base times corresponding height. He give me the area was 24. Then 24 will be equal half of 6 is 3. 3 product by x. Then x equal 24 divided by 3 equal 8. Then x equal 8. Length units. Then the order of point x, it will be 8 and 0. He won't find the slope of AB. Then the slope equal, right, 0 minus 6, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, 8 minus 0. Then we have negative 6 over 8, right, divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Then we have negative 3 over 4 is the slope. Choose letter B. Okay, understood. This is the slope of straight line. Next question. A circle with circumference 10 by. What is the area of circle? We can find the area of circle by write the rule. Half times base. Triangle half times base. But here we have circle. Then area equal by r power 2. Okay. He gives me circumference was 10 by, such that circumference was 10 by. He gives me information. You know circumference of circles equal 2 by r. You can write equal 2 by r. You can simplify by divided by pi, then the radius will be 10 divided by 2 equal 5 centimeter. We have the radius 5 centimeter. Then what is the area? We can write the area equal by r power 2. Y product by radius power 2, 5 power 2 is 25. And the result will be 25 pi. 25 pi square centimeter. Choose letter A. Next question. If the straight line representation or representing the function f of x equal ax minus 5 passing through the point 2 and 3, what is the value of a? This point satisfies equations, then we can put the value of x equal 2 and the value of y equal 3. Y here is meaning f of x. F of x will be equal 3. At x equal 2, put the value of x equal 2. Then we have 2 product by a minus 5. Move negative 5 by additive inverse. 5 plus 3 equal 8. 8 equal 2a. And the value of a equal 8 divided by 2 equal 4. Choose letter C. The answer here, letter C. Next question. If a is the first proportional of two numbers 4 and 16, what is the value of a? Okay, a is the first proportional. We can write a over 4 equal 4 over 16. Then the value of a equal 4 times 4, 16. 16 divided by 16 equal 1. Choose letter D. Number 7. Which of the following relation function is not function from x to y. We can choose what? Who can tell me? Choose letter E, because the element 5 has 3 image, 1, 2, 3. It's not function. So you must choose letter E. Number 8. What is the distance between 2 points? We can find square root of negative 19 minus 5 power 2 and 6 minus 12. It will be 6 plus 12 all power 2. Square root of negative 5 plus 19. It will be negative 24 power 2 plus 6 plus 12 power 2, 18 power 2. Okay, we can find the answer. 24 times 24, 576, and 18 power 2, 18 product by 18. 8 times 8 is 64, rate 4 at the carry up 6. 1 times 8, 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 100 is 0. 1 times 18 equal 18, and then correct. 324. 4 plus 6, 10, 0 and the carry up 1. 3 plus 7, 10, 0 and the carry up 1. 4 plus 5 is 9. Then the answer will be 30. Then the length will be 30. Choose letter D. Next question. Hospital with 40 doctors. 40 doctors and 200 nurses. Took a sample space, 36 individual represent each recording size. What is the number of nurses? You won't find the number of nurses in the sample. So we have 2 nurses from the total number. Total number will be 240. Product by the volume of size, it will be 36. And the result will be what? We can sample it by divided by 10. And then 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 36 divided by 6 is 6. 5 times 6 is 30. The number of nurses will be 30 nurses. Choose letter D. Next question. If B is the mean proportional between A and C, prove that left hand side equal right hand side. First step, we can write the ratio between A and B, and also B over C. A over B is equivalent to B over C. I will put the constant K, and K constant, let equals 0. Then the value of A equals CK power 2, and the value of B will be equal CK. Start from left hand side was expression A over C. The value of A was CK power 2 over C. You can divide it, and the result will be K power 2. On right hand side, here B power 2 over C power 2. B was CK power 2, it will be C power 2, K power 2 over C power 2. You can sample it. The result will be K power 2. They are equivalent. See, left hand side equal right hand side equal K power 2. Next question in geometry. Here we have triangle. We want to prove that measure of angle C greater than measure of angle B. Measure of angle C here greater than measure of angle B. He give me 2 sides difference is the lenses in triangle, such that you can write first in triangle ABD, or DE is this triangle ADE, such that ED is greater than EE, ED greater than EE. Then the length of opposite side angle, it will be greater than measure of angle E, will be greater than measure of angle D. The measure of angle E will be greater than measure of angle D, because angle E opposite the longest side. Okay, this relation number 1, such that D and E are the midpoints. D and E are the midpoints of EB and AC. Then DE will be parallel to BC. They are parallel, okay? Then we prove that 2 straight line here parallel. Parallel, then measure of angle D will be measure of angle E, and measure of angle E, it will be equal to measure of angle C. Angle E equal angle C. corresponding angles. We called it corresponding angles, okay? Then from relation number 1 and relation number 2, this relation number 2 and this relation number 1, angle C equal E and measure of angle B equal angle D. We know measure of angle E greater than D. Then measure of angle C will be greater than measure of angle B. Okay. Next question. If x over 2 equal y over 3 equals z over 4 equals expression, we want to find the value of k. Okay. We will product the first product by 3, such that the first projection product numerator and denominator by 3, then we have 3x over 3 times 2 is 6, and then it 2 times y, 2y, and down 2 times 3 equals 6, and complete z minus 1, negative 1 times z, negative z, negative 1 times 4 is negative 4, equivalent to 3x plus 2y minus z over 6 plus 6, 12, 12 minus 4 equal 8, equal each one of the ratio. Each one of the ratio. It's equivalent to each one of the ratios. They are equivalent. This expression, they are equivalent. Each one of the ratios. The numerator equal numerator, so the numerator equal numerator. Here, k will be equal 8. A quadral prism. We have quadral prism with square base, side lengths for lenses. We have square in the base, and the height. We don't know the height. He gave me quadral prism with square base, side length 4 centimeter. The length here was 4 centimeter, and the volume, we don't know the height, okay? We know the volume equal base area times the height, okay? The volume equal base area times the height. You must know this rule. He gave me the volume was 192. Then we can write 192 equal to 192 equal to base area equal 4 times 4 product by height. The height equal 192 divided by 4 times 4. 4 times 4 area of square side by side. Then we can simplest 4 divided by 4 equal 1, 19 divided by 4 equal 4, and the remainder 3, 32 divided by 4 equal 8. 48 divided by 4 equals 6, because 4 times 6, no, 12. 48 divided by 4 equal 12. Since the height will be 12 centimeter. Now he won't find the surface area. Then the total area equal, who can tell me total area? We can find the total area equal circumference of the base or lateral area. We can find the lateral area. Okay. Plus area of two bases. We have here a quadral prism. We have the height and the base was square. Then to find total area, first step you must find lateral area plus twice sum of two bases plus 2 times 4 times 4. يعني يا اولاد لما احنا عشان نجيب التوتال اريا لازم نجيب الاول اللاتشر اريا اللي عندي وبعدين اجيب التو بيسز، لان انا عندي هنا في تو بيسز موجودين كل واحده فيهم سكوير وعايز اجيب اللاتشر اريا، يبقى انا محتاج اجيب الاول اللاتشر اريا. طب اجيب اللاتشر اريا ازاي؟ عن طريق السيركونفيرنس للبيس تايمز هايت. اجيب الاول اللاتشر اريا اهو، ركز معايا. اللاتشر اريا ايكوال سيركونفيرنس اوف ذا بيس، البيس سكوير يبقى هو 4 تايمز 4 تايمز هايت. الهايت بتاعي كان هنا طلع ب 12. مفهوم كده؟ طيب نحسبها 4 times 4 16 16 times 12 هنحسبهم 16 product by 12 2 times 6 12 2 and carry up 1 1 times 2 2 plus 1 3 plus 100 0 وهنا نعمل بلس يبقى هنا 192 سكوير سنتيمتر. خلاص احنا جبنا اللاتشر اريا، يبقى المطلوب مني بعد كده اجيب التوتال اريا. طيب تو فايند توتال اريا لازم نجيب اللاتشر اريا، خلاص احنا جبناه وبالتالي التوتال اريا اللاتشر اريا ب 192 وهنا 2 times 4 times 4 يبقى 32. هنعملهم بلس 2 plus 2 4 وهنا 9 plus 3 12 2 and carry up 1 1 plus 1 2 يبقى الحل بتاعنا 224 square centimeter. كده احنا حسبنا التوتال area. Understood? Next question, solve the inequality. First step, you must cancel negative 2 by 8, positive 2 to 3 terms. We can write 2 here and 3x minus 2 plus 2 less than or equal to 7 plus 2. Okay, cancel negative 2 first by additive inverse. Then negative 8 plus 2 is negative 6 less than 3x less than or equal to 7 plus 2, 9. We can divide it by 3. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2. 3x divided by 3 equal x, or 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Then draw number line from negative 2 to 3. Negative 2 opened and 3 closed. In the solution set will be open interval from negative 2 to closed 3. Next question, we have right angle triangle here. You won't find the length we won't find the projection of BC on AC. طيب ركز معايا عشان نجيب projection للبي on AC. الاي سي فين اهي؟ ده الاي سي. انا عايز اسقط من الاول واحده البي لما اسقط منها تنزل تروح لمين؟ للدي. يبقى البروجكشن للبي تبقى دي. طب البروجكشن بالنسبه للسي، السي موجوده على النمبر لاين تبقى زي ما هي. يبقى انت عايز تجيب اللينس اوف دي سي. فاهم؟ يبقى المطلوب مني دي سي اقدر اجيبها ازاي؟ اوكي، يبقى انا عرفت البروجكشن اهو. طب عايز اجيب اللينس بتاعه احسبها ازاي؟ انا عندي هنا 4 سنتيمتر وهنا كان 3 سنتيمتر. اقدر ان انا اجيب الاول السي اي فروم فيثاغورسيان. يبقى البروف بتاعي اقول له such that in triangle ABC such that measure of angle D equal measure of angle B equal 90 degree, and we have also BD perpendicular to CA. Then we can use Euclid's theorem. We have CP power 2 equal x, the projection here, x projected by CA. Okay, and we have C. نقدر نجيب ال CA الأول من فيثاغورس ثيورم. CA power 2 was equal CP power 2 plus BA power 2. فاهمين كده يا ولاد؟ يبقى أنا دلوقتي هجيب اللينس ده من فيثاغورس، فيطلع معايا إن CA equal square root 4 power 2 is 16 and 3 power 2 9. يطلع معايا 5 سنتيمتر اللي هو السي اي. يبقى السي اي كلها 5 سنتيمتر. خلاص نقدر بقى نعوض هنا. سي بي باور 2 4 باور 2 is 16 equal x product by CA 5. Then x equals 16 over 5. It will be 3.2 centimeter. Then DC will be equal 3.2 centimeter. ده المطلوب مني لحل الإكزامبل. Next question. In the figure 2 square drawing on board, if the person shoots an arrow and hits support, find the probability of hitting the colored area. First, we can find the area of colored part first. يعني هنجيب الاريا الأول للاريا 1 بالنسبة للسمول سكوير 2 times 2 4. وهنا اريا 2 للبيجست سكوير اللي هو عبارة عن 6 times 6 36 سكوير 2. يبقى هنا جبنا اريا 1 وهنا جبنا الاريا 2. طب الاريا اوف كولرد بارت، عايز اجيب الاريا الكولرد بارت عندي هسميها مثلا هنا A3. انا عايز احسب A3 هجيب الديفرنس between together او 36 minus 4 يعطيني 32 سكوير سنتيمتر. طب البروبابيلتي بقى للاريا 3 بالنسبه للاريا 3 اللي عندي هجيب 32. يبقى انا عايز احسب probability للاريا 3 او 32 over the total area was 36. the total area كلها 36. Then we can divide it by 4. 32 divided by 4 equal 8. 36 divided by 4 equal 9. It will be 4 over 9. طيب بعد كده what's the expected؟ عشان نجيب الاكسبكتد ده اللي هو التوقع بناخد البروبابيلتي كلها اللي احنا جبناها اللي هو 8 over 9 ده بنعمله تايمز النمبرز اللي قال عليه هنا اللي هو كان 90. بيقول لي لما يكون عددهم 90 بيرسون هيكون كم واحد صوب للمنطقه اللي هي الكالرز اللي عندي، فاقول برودكت باي 90 وبعدين احسبها 90 divided by 9 10 10 times 8 equal 80. then we have 8 people. اوكي كده خلصنا الحمد لله. ان شاء الله مستمرين في المراجعه من كتاب المعاصر. اتمنى تكونوا فهمتوا. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.